Are you looking for the drones for camping? In this video we will look at some of the drones for camping in the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Holyton HT70 3-axis Brushless Gimbal GPS Drone. Capture stunning moments with 4K clarity, featuring a high-resolution 4K camera, 1/3.2 CMOS sensor, f/2.0 aperture and 4K/30 FPS video recording. The Holyton HT70 GPS drones with camera for adults 4K allows you to create breathtaking aerial footage. From family celebrations to outdoor adventures, turn everyday moments into cinematic masterpieces. Superior imaging with Sony lens. Equipped with a premium Sony lens, the Holyton HT70 4K drone with camera for adults captures exceptional details and vibrant colors, ensuring every shot stands out with professional quality clarity. Advanced stability with 3-axis brushless mechanical gimbal. Enjoy smooth and stable footage thanks to Holyton's latest 3-axis brushless mechanical gimbal. Designed to resist wind and vibrations, Holyton HT70 GPS drone with camera for adults ensures professional-grade performance in all conditions. Night mode for after-dark exploration. Experience the magic of nighttime aerial photography with Holyton HT70 RCFPV GPS drones with camera for adults 4K night mode, enhanced with Holyton frame retention technology to deliver vivid and captivating visuals in low light. Intelligent GPS flight modes. Unlock creative potential with features like Follow Me, Waypoint Flight, and Cruise Control, plus the quick shot like Catapult, Circle, Spiral Up. These smart functions from Holyton HT70 GPS drones with camera for adults 4K make filming stunning footage effortless for beginners and pros alike. Powerful outdoor performance. Powered by high-performance brushless motors and offering up to 10,000 feet of transmission range, the Holyton HT70 GPS 4K drone excels in stability and captures stunning landscapes with precision, delivering high-quality performance at an affordable price. FAA compliant with built-in remote ID. Holyton HT70 GPS drone with camera for adult is equipped with a built-in remote ID, ensuring FAA compliance for safe and unrestricted flights. Number 2. NAFYRE N11 Pro GPS Drone. Under 0.55 pounds mid-size drone, no FAA registration. Designed with a unique material composition, the N11 Pro is a remarkably valuable mid-sized GPS drone, not many ones. Its weight is kept under 0.55 pounds, eliminating the need for FAA registration. This drone provides a perfect solution for hassle-free flying in the States without FAA, making it ideal for capturing stunning footage on the go. Brushless motors and long flight time and control range. Enduring alloy brushless motors feature strong wind resistance and provides a faster, quieter while more powerful flight. Equipped with 3 batteries to provide up to 90 minutes of flight time, plus a long control range of 3,328 feet, let your drone swim in the sky freely. Dual positioning system. Optical flow positioning provides you a safer indoor flight, while GPS positioning gives a more free and stabilized outdoor flight. They also help the drone lock the height precisely and hover stably to take better photos or videos. With GPS system, the drone will automatically return home when battery is low, signal is lost, or you press one key return. Free your minds of losing the drone. 4K UHD photography drone. The UHD 4K camera offers high-resolution imagery, allowing you to capture stunning 4096 by 3072 photos and 2048 by 1080 videos. The camera features a 100 degrees wide-angle lens that is adjustable by remote control or the app within 90 degrees, expanding your perspective and enhancing your enjoyment of every precious moment. The 5 GHz FPV transmission ensures stable and smooth video streaming. Powerful GPS function. The GPS-assisted intelligent flight features such as Follow Me, Tap Fly and Point of Interest enable the drone to fly automatically and free your hands and minds to do video or picture creation and enjoy more fun. Perfect travel companion. Foldable design of the drone and the durable carrying case allow it more portable for outdoor traveling. You can take it to anywhere and record all the wonderful moments. Besides, we offer a 1-year warranty for replacing your damaged parts and 30-day money back for any reason. Any questions, we are always here for you. Frequency, 2440-2468 MHz, output power, 2 milliwatts. Number 3. DEERC D65 2-axis mechanical gimbal EIS GPS drone. For smooth drone footage, this drone stabilizes your footage, ensuring you capture professional quality videos and photos, even in challenging conditions. For ultra-clear imagery, the D65 drone with camera for adults features a width, delivering sharp, blur-free images and videos for stunning aerial photography. Ultralight foldable drone, weighing, this foldable drone with camera is easy to carry on all your adventures in, making it ideal for adults and beginners alike. GPS-enabled smart drone, equipped with advanced GPS technology, this drone offers precise positioning and intelligent flight modes like waypoint flight and orbit mode, making it powerful brushless motors. FO, the D65 drone with 4K camera is powered by efficient brushless motors, providing a quiet, powerful, and stable flight experience, perfect for capturing high-quality aerial footage. Function, this 4K drone automatically returns to its takeoff point when the battery is low or the signal is lost, giving you confidence to explore without worrying about losing your drone. Easy to fly, the D65 drone with camera is, featuring one-key takeoff/landing, altitude hold, and intuitive controls, making it perfect for both beginners and experienced pilots. Number 4. BLINORY $55 Hong Kong drone. 2K HD camera and 5G real-time transmission. The 2K drone is equipped with a 90 degrees electrically adjustable camera, enabling effortless adjustment of the camera angle for enhanced perspectives. Built-in shock absorption and 5 GHz FPV transmission ensures smooth and stable videos. Also easily share the happy moments stored on your phone or SD card to your social media platforms. GPS auto return. Enjoy worry-free flying with GPS and automatic return functions. The drone features precise GPS positioning that will return smartly when it is lost signal, out of range or low power. Never have to worry about flying it away, which ensure a safer and more reliable flying experience whether indoor or outdoor. In addition, the $55 Hong Kong Drone Go app can help to find the location of the mini drone on the map. Never lose your drone. Hands-free. Get creative shooting. The GPS drones with camera for adults. 2K does the flying and filming for you. Functions like follow me, waypoint flight, point of interest and gesture selfie can not only enhance the flying experience, but give you more freedom to record the creative moments around you. Our GPS drone is the ideal choice for shooting your sport moments such as hiking, skateboarding, surfing, camping, climbing, riding, running. Long flight time and brushless drone. The mini drone is equipped with 2 modular batteries, providing in 32 minutes of super long flight time. It makes you enjoy worry-free flying, capture and explore more of the adventure. The FPV drone uses powerful brushless motor for smoother flight, faster speeds, lower noise, and longer lifespan compared to brushed motor, delivering outstanding performance across various environments. Beginner-friendly with features such as one-button takeoff/landing, headless mode, and 2 speed switching functions make it easy for kids, beginners or newbies to control this drone with 2K camera. In addition, the drone with camera for adults is equipped with an GPS and optical flow hover, ensuring stable hovering in the sky. Whether you are a beginner or a skilled player, our drone brings you an excellent flight experience. Number 5. BLINORY X60 Drone. 2K HD camera and 5G real-time transmission. The 2K drone is equipped with a 90 degrees electrically adjustable camera, enabling effortless adjustment of the camera angle for enhanced perspectives. Built-in shock absorption and 5 GHz FPV transmission ensures smooth and stable videos. Also easily share the happy moments stored on your phone or SD card to your social media platforms. Long flight time and brushless drone. The mini drone is equipped with 2 modular batteries, providing in 32 minutes of super long flight time. It makes you enjoy worry-free flying, capture and explore more of the adventure. The FPV drone uses powerful brushless motor for smoother flight, faster speeds, lower noise, and longer lifespan compared to brushed motor, delivering outstanding performance across various environments. Beginner-friendly with features such as one-button takeoff/landing, headless mode, and 2 speed switching functions make it easy for kids, beginners or newbies to control this drone with 2K camera. In addition, the drone with camera for adults is equipped with optical flow hover, ensuring stable hovering in the sky. Whether you are a beginner or a skilled player, our drone brings you an excellent flight experience. Play the drone in various ways. The drones for kids has multiple functions controlled by BLINORY Go app, such as 360 degrees flips, headless mode, waypoint fly, gravity control, gesture selfie, makes your flying experience more immersive and funny. A cool toy drone for curious and exploratory adults and kids. For your first test flight, we recommend you to fly the drone indoor or in an open space without wind. Ultra-lightweight, no FAA or remote ID registration required. The camera drone weighs less than 250 grams, not requiring FAA or remote ID registration. Additionally, the foldable design and dedicated storage case make it more convenient to take the RC drone outdoors, letting you easily and enjoyably experience the thrill of outdoor flight whether you are traveling, camping or hiking. We would keep improving the functions of X60 drone to help you enjoy the ever-improving flight experience and shooting quality. Contact BLINORY anytime if you have any drone issues. BLINORY support is always available to assist you with the drone issue.